think it might just be me in the group meeting today. There's Michael. I might be the only one. I'm not sure, but Kelly might show up. But yeah, some other guys in our group, or other members of our group, our team, got held up with other things, and I don't really know where they're at with the application. So I'm just going to kind of go at it and take this thing from the ground up. So yeah, I'll just have this recording while I do that. Let's see. Let's see here, div, the ID in here will be just this one. You'll need your score, and you'll need your here we'll need something like this is going to be the buttons. I don't know what to name it. Yeah, just yes. How did I do this? Hate coding and forgetting what in the world I did. Let's see here. So function Alabama. Click. Yes, this will be flashcards. So look at here. So how this going to work is oh, so it would replace the submit button. Oh, so when you call input text, what button called input text? Or text input, yeah. Or whatever button you click, like if you click the hyphen button, so like just that variable name can be the same in every single function. That doesn't matter. So you can change it to something. And then it just gets this text is true. And this div right here. That's how this works. I remember. So I'm going to change this answer. Let's do this. Answer. So this will be var. Just call it text. Because that's what it is. It grabs the text file. And then where do I want this to be? I want this to be in the flashcard div because this is flashcard. save it. Let's run sham and see what this does. How lonely you are on the phone. Alabama. All right, then, so each function, each state function also needs to put a button down. We'll make it so the buttons are displayed. So I guess, yeah, I'm going to need two divs for buttons. I just need a button div. Because it's plural. Let's do this. Let's do it. Okay. heck? Did anyone show up to the hangout yet? No? All right. Oh, shoot. I'm an idiot. I forgot the brackets after my function. Oh my goodness. I hate coding. I hate how computers do exactly what you tell them to. They should just know. Computers should just know what you want them to do. There we go. All right, check this out. So get started by clicking here, Alabama, click the card Montgomery. Oh, nice. So now what I need to do is I need to make it a simple button. Read these functions. Montgomery. states. Oh, duh, I'm doing this wrong. I need it in the functions, so it's not there the whole time. Okay, stuff is coming together. So this button opens this function will open these buttons. Oh my goodness. We still need these functions. Montgomery. All right. So then flip. So you don't flip, you do so I need right. And I need to do button type of button on click equals correct. I believe that's what the function is called. Yes. And this will be correct. And the same thing with incorrect. Wrong. No, wait. Incorrect. Where's Montgomery? We need to get rid of the card button. HTML is going to be nothing. Incorrect. What? Incorrect isn't supposed to give me a point. Oh, it didn't. It stored in local storage. I'm an idiot. Okay. Oh, geez. I shouldn't be recording myself for this. I don't know. I'll do. All right, group. If you're even watching this, man, you guys are troopers. Watching me do this coding forever. Then what's got to happen after this? I need another function. Yeah, I think Alabama's done. Well, one state down, only 35 minutes. At this rate, all 50 states, that'll take who knows how long. All right, let's see. Where did my state capitals go? I had them pulled up in my browser. Here it is. Alaska. Do make a function called Alaska? Yeah, let's make a function called Alaska. It's going to be just like Alabama. Alaska. And this one's going to say Alaska. Can you call two functions from one button? I sure as heck hope so. Or else this isn't going to work. It's Alaska. Let's see. I'm being weird. It's what gets me through coding and development. What's this Alaska function supposed to do? All right, let's see what this does. Let's just see. Alabama, flip the card, Montgomery, correct. No, it's not calling the Alaska function like I wanted to. Maybe it is, I'm just crazy. Let's try it. But it's not. I believe it is not calling the Alaska function like I want it to be. If I do this. So now let's try. But now it's not. There's got to be a way to call two functions from one button. Google this. Oh, I type call two functions and the first thing is on click. Add semicolons. Oh, so you can do it. All right, so on click correct semicolon. Alaska? Is that what I was doing? Yes, that is the next question. ALAS. I hope this works. Aha! Success! Incorrect, then Alaska. We're in Alaska. Doesn't this needs to be nothing? What else? Correct and incorrect need to be nothing. I don't even think I need this because that's already been. I'm gonna try it, just see. All right, I don't need that there. Good to know. Alaska. Oh, I need to plug my phone in. That thing's gonna die. That's gonna die. There it is. Oh, shoot. I need to send a text. What am I doing? I got distracted for half a second. Now I don't even know what I'm doing. State capital is Alaska. Let's see. Incorrect reset. Let's stretch that score. Oh, this is where I'm at. So right and wrong. All right, let's see how far you can get. You go to Alabama, flip the card Montgomery. I say incorrect. It shows my score, shows Alaska, and then flip the card. On click needs to equal the capital of Alaska, which is Juneau. Juneau. Flip the card. Then boom, I need a function called Juneau. That's where I'm at. I'm just coding along here. Function Juneau. Hey, look at this. I'm almost through 2 states out of the 50. And it's only been 45 minutes. Whoa, I'm so far. What goes in? So this is a capital. This isn't a state. So I'm going to copy Montgomery. Once I get rolling, this shouldn't be too bad. But then styling it with CSS, that's going to be the tricky part. And then so instead of Alaska, it needs to go to the next state, which is Arizona. What did I just do? No, Arizona. Is that it? Boom, I think I'm done with the Juneau function. Now I need an Arizona function. Arizona. And it's going to be just like the Alaska function, but it's going to be more Arizona-y full. Let's see what I just got. So instead of Alaska, it's going to be Arizona. So let's copy there, paste there. I'm going to flip that card, and the capital of Arizona is going to be Phoenix. Then we're going to need a Phoenix function. Oh wait, up here did I get the right? Oh, see, I didn't. I missed one. Totally missed one. This is supposed to grab the Juneau text, not the Montgomery text. We don't want people thinking the capital of Alaska is Montgomery. That would be bad. That would be horrible. All right, so Arizona, let's see, we flip this. Button type is, I'm on Arizona. So the capital of Arizona is going to be Phoenix. The Phoenix function, onClick equals Phoenix, but I don't have a Phoenix function yet. Arizona, that looks right. I don't know. I'll figure out what I messed up on after I mess up and test this stuff. Let's just keep going though. I'm gonna truck away at this. Yeah, I don't need to test it. I'm doing this right. Oh geez. Phoenix. That's how you spell Phoenix. Are you serious? All right. Dang English. So Phoenix, that one's going to be just like this. What I should do is I should just make all of the, ooh, see, that's smart. That's really smart. I should make all of the capital functions and then make all of the state functions and go and see where I'm messing up. That's what I should do. I believe that would save me some time. So in Phoenix, needs to grab the next state, which will be, drumroll please, Arkansas. Arkansas. And then what else does it need to do? This needs to be the Phoenix text that it grabs. I believe that will do it. I believe that will do it. And I'm just going to see where we're at as far as right now goes. So this is kind of what I've been doing. If you're going to watch anything, I'm going to throw in the comments board to watch this. So I didn't know what to do today. I don't know where you guys are at. I don't know what's going on. So I just started this thing from the ground up. State capital flashcards. Get started by clicking here, Alabama, flip the card, Montgomery, correct, it adds to your score, Alaska, flip the card. Oh, Alaska, flip the card. Oh my goodness. Where did I go wrong? Where's Alaska? Oh, okay. Let's try this again. All right. So if you're going to watch anything, watch this part. This is what I've been working on. I didn't know where you guys are at with this application, so I just started it from the ground up. State capital flashcards. Get started by clicking here. Alabama, flip the card. The capital's Montgomery. Correct or incorrect? Let's say correct. Your score 24 out of 50. This is stored in local storage, by the way. That's why it's 24 out of 50. Alaska, flip the card. Alaska still won't flip the card. One click needs to be this function right here. Oops. Yeah, that's right. Button type equals button. Just flip the card. That looks right. Why won't Alaska flip the card? All right, Alaska, what's your problem? flip. You can have a space, but my other ones have a space right there. I don't know. What is your problem, Alaska? Wait, nothing is saved. Is that why? Is it because I forgot to save it? No, it's not. Okay. I still can't flip Alaska. I don't know why. Maybe something's wrong with this Juno. How do you say it? Juno. Maybe something's wrong with this function. I'm just going to test just this function, see what happens. Yep, Juno, correct. Then it takes you to Arizona. Arizona can't flip. Why can't my cards flip? That's so weird. All right, I'm going to finish figuring this out. Let's start with Alabama. So for some reason, Alabama, let me see which ones can flip. So we can start by clicking here. Alabama, flip the card, Montgomery. All right, so Alabama can flip. So I'm going to take this, because this is what makes it so it can flip. Boom. Then Alaska can flip. Arizona. Wait, Alaska can flip? Arizona now can't flip. Kelly, what's up?
Hey, Michael. Good. I'm late to the party. I think it's already over.
Oh yeah, hey, I've actually just been alone. Like I just started this and I started recording, and yeah, I didn't know where everyone else was at. So oh my goodness, I didn't know you could do that. I just kind of started going at this thing from the ground up.
Oh, are you showing me the code for our flashcard app?
Yeah, I didn't know where everyone else was at, so I just kind of started going at the ground up.
Has anybody? Oh, with the flashcard app itself.
Yeah.
Nice.
So let's see. I'm
Nice.
getting something figured out. One sec. I don't want to forget where I'm at.
Okay,
There was
I'll just
something.
observe.
All right, Arizona. Arizona won't flip. That's what I'm doing. Arizona, there's the function. I want to call this function. Yeah, I don't know where everyone else is at. Let me show you what I've done. I mean,
Okay.
it's nothing pretty, but it's state capital flashcards. Get started by clicking here. Alabama, flip the card. And then the capital is Montgomery. Correct or incorrect? Correct. And then this is
Oh,
stored in local storage. Alaska, flip the card. Juneau is the thing. Incorrect. You didn't get +1. Arizona, flip the card. Phoenix, correct. Hooray! That's where I'm at so far.
wonderful.
I know, three states in a whole hour. I'm making record time.
3 states, huh?
Yep. So yeah, I'm kind of at the point where like I don't know how everyone else wants to do this, or like yeah. So I'm kind of weird, and I just kind of started going at it from the ground up because I wasn't sure
Okay.
what everyone else's idea is.
Was Cassandra or Michelle able to make it today?
No, they both said in the group chat on the Hangouts chat that they can't make it today.
Oh shoot, just you and me then. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, better late than never.
Yeah, no
Um,
joke. I'm glad you showed up so I can kind of see where you're at and what you're thinking.
okay. Um, yeah. So I like that you actually made your program functional. I think that's a huge step.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Um, so let's see. Where am I? Let's see. So last that I heard, I think it was I think Michelle said that she found some pictures that we could put with these flashcards.
Nice.
Do we you know, going off of what we had before, do we want to incorporate what you have, this functionality, with the 3D flip that I created and showed last time, or do you want to go a new route?
I'm fine with whatever is easiest for the group. Like what I think would be easy about this method that I'm doing is every single state is and capital has its own. Oh, I'm in the wrong project. It has its own 261 flashcards. That's what I called it. Has its own text file. So you could throw all the CSS in like if you want it to look fancy, you could do something like style sheet equals make it look fancy or whatever.
Oh, I see.
And so that's kind of what I was thinking we could do to make it look good. And we could also throw some CSS in each individual function.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, I'm not sure what. See, CSS, that's my least favorite part. Like making stuff look pretty is hard for me.
Oh.
I just, if I can get it to work, and I'm like, all right, it works.
Right,
I
right.
really don't care. That's kind of how I am.
So it looks like you have all the states and all the capitals in there.
Yeah, so each text file is just exactly what it says. Like Arkansas, I don't even know what this is. Cheyenne, Connecticut. Yeah, they're super simple text files. But I figure, later down the road, in the next couple of weeks, we can throw some CSS in here and make them like a nice fancy box or something.
Yeah, yeah. Let me see. Let's see here. My website. Look at my website. Let's go to flashcards. Boom. Did it take you a long time to make that work, or was it pretty simple for you?
I just started at 9, and then like I waited till like maybe 9:10, and no one was showing up. So I was just like, well, might as well just start this thing from the ground up. I don't know where everyone else is at.
Right, right. Well, thanks for getting on that.
Yeah.
So let's see. Where are you? Here you are. Screen share. Desktop. Screen share. So can you see my screen?
I can.
How would it? Let's see. Would we be able to combine this CSS with your Ajax? Pretty simple. Like I'm thinking, like, could we put the text files right here where the what is the capital of, and then insert that text file Indiana, and
I'm
then
sure it's doable.
it's doable. Oh gosh, that sounds like pretty
Yeah, I
difficult.
mean, I don't know. Let's think. So wait, is so let's say like your Indiana thing that flips, is that one block of code? Or is it two? Like, do you have a block of code for the front and a block of code for the back? Is it like two functions? Or is there a function at all? Or what do you have there?
So here, the front is just HTML, and then the back. So Indianapolis is the answer. Let's see. Yeah, so the whole card is this right here.
Let me try something. Copy and paste that into the chat real quick.
Okay, all right.
Let me try something.
The chat. Oh, there it is.
And does this contain the CSS and everything too? Like,
No, I have a CSS.
oh, the CSS. Okay, well, yeah, then we could just do this and then throw the style sheet on. Now let me see how this runs, or if it runs. No. Oh, I left it here. Oops. Oh no, I need. Let's see. Oops. So yeah, it looks like I have this part. Now let me see. Copy and paste your CSS too into the chat. Let me see that part.
Okay.
Yeah, just give me the whole thing. I want it all.
Okay. We got it then. Here it comes.
All
That's a lot
right,
of code.
perfect. Where have I already done? Oh well, here's what I'll do. Copy it all, paste it all, save. Now where did my browser go? Oh darn, almost worked. So
yeah, I'm not really sure how your function works and how easy it is to incorporate it.
yeah,
Is it a get or a post function? What is it?
I have. Let's pull it up. Yeah, get, and then it just gets the. It's Ajax, and it just uses XML HTTP request to get this file.
So could we?
So
Let's see. Would it be easier if could we just had it get? I think we can do this.
yeah, I think so too. Let me try one more thing. One more thing. Save that one. Go back to here. Then I need to add a style sheet down here. So after script, you like, how do you put it? Like style sheet.
Style.css.
Style.css.
Oh, I see what you're trying to do.
I think it's style sheet.
Let's see. Oh, okay. So it'd be a link and then. Oh, okay. I'll give you the text for it.
All right. I know you can do it in one page, and you don't have to link it to an actual like style. Aha, that's it. It's just style, plain style.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me try this real quick. End the style here, and then boom, and then where did your CSS go?
Well, I copied and pasted the link. Don't copy that link down there.
Oh, oops. Yeah, let me make sure.
That was
I'm
just
good
for
right
your
now.
future right now.
So it starts on body. There it is.
Yeah.
Go down to, there's the link. Boom. 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 Now this is going to work. You watch. Just kidding. I have no idea.
All right, let's cross our fingers.
I hate with Champ. I had to switch it. All right. Get started by clicking here. Whoa, it works.
Okay.
What is the capital of Indiana? I mean, it's not pretty.
There we go.
And you can flip the card, Montgomery. Yeah, see, we're getting places.
Montgomery. Okay.
What is the capital? I mean, yeah, it's not pretty, but you can like flip it, and it has this. It would take some minor reconstruction, but flip the card, Montgomery, incorrect. All right, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm happy. I don't know.
Let's see.
It's a long shot, but yeah, this is one of those things that, I honestly think would be easier just to, Yeah, it's working with a team can be hard to get on the same page.
I I agree because we each have different pieces of code that don't work together.
Exactly. Like we all have our own methods and our own ways of coding, and
Man.
trying to make all those work together just is a pain. It doesn't happen that easily.
Yeah. So hey, your idea for our flashcards, should we have a next button, or where like the next thing is rather revealed, or a next button where it gets replaced?
So what I've been doing is every single state function, I have state functions and capital functions. So what the state function does is it gets the state text. So you see Alabama, and then it will say like, and then what it does is it gets rid of a start button that's the very first button that you see, and then it adds a flip button. So the button flips to the next, or to the capital. And then my capital functions do the same thing. It grabs the name, the Montgomery, or whatever the capital may be. It gets rid of the flip button, so the flip button isn't there because it's a capital. And then it adds a right or wrong button, and both the right or wrong button just grab the next state. And then the process repeats.
I see. I see.
Yeah, so pretty much I'm just going in alphabetical order, and each time the user presses a button, it just grabs the next function that replaces my divs with whatever that function wants the div to say.
Okay. Okay, I like it. Um, so right now it's working, and I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, like, and now that I'm at this point, I feel like I could just sit here for another 2 or 3 hours and get every single state at a point where, we can truck through the whole thing. And then we can make it pretty after.
Right. Right.
Because now that we've seen, that you can, where did I have it? I have like 4 browsers open right now. So now that we've seen that we can have something like this, and then, go to the next things. Yeah.
So let's see. I'm thinking like, should we try and work with what you have and build something new, or combine our two pieces of work
Yeah.
in some way? Um, because
It's
both
kind of
are
tricky. Like, yeah, it's tricky because honestly, I probably wouldn't know how to take your code and make it work, and you probably wouldn't know how to take my code and make it work. And so
right. Because I'm
it makes it
using
hard.
because I use classes too to also refer to, like I say, classic California gets the California text, a picture.
Yeah.
Whereas you have like IDs. Is that right? You use IDs?
Yeah, I use IDs and divs.
And just use everything. Okay. Are you gonna put this on GitHub later today then?
Yeah, what? I was actually my plan was just to go at this for like an hour. Then I need to go I need to go get some stuff done here in town for a minute.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so maybe later today I can grab that code and see if I can make something work. So what languages are you using there?
So far, I just have JavaScript and HTML.
Oh, JavaScript. Nice.
Yeah, these are all just JavaScript functions.
Um, do you know what languages we need to include in our final project? Is it all of
Let
them?
me. Well, I mean, as far as I understand, like Ajax and Dom, and yeah, I mean, I use Ajax and Dom, and what are some of the other things?
Yeah,
Like
CSS.
CSS.
Um,
I mean, Ajax and Dom is just an extension of JavaScript, isn't it? Because within a script, you're able to use DOM to change other parts of a PHP file or whatever kind of file you have.
right.
So that's kind of how I thought of it, but I could be wrong.
Okay.
Let me pull up the rubric for this assignment because I know it's different than the coding topics. Um, 261, that's this class.
Yeah.
And then we have course assessments. There it is. App design and creation. So we have to do triggering CSS3 in transitions, transforms without custom libraries. I'm not 100% sure what that is. Local storage, I have that with I use local storage with the score. So the user can get out of, like if you get out of the app and get back in, your score is saved. And then
Oh,
I'm
great.
going to, so at the very end, it resets your score, but shows you your last time score. That wouldn't be too hard.
That's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
HTML5 tags, video, audio, camera, canvas. I'm not sure what that means. And then Ajax and DOM. So other than like CSS, I think this one's got it all.
Okay, terrific.
So I
Terrific.
use local storage for the score, Ajax and DOM for getting the next function and the text documents.
So, Michael, with my code here, I have these divs where it shows the front, which is the question, with the picture of the capital or the state, and then it flips to the back where it can, like when your code, it can get the capital. With if we want, we can add a cool little fact about the state. It's not necessary though. Um, and then after they flip it over, we could have a button like you have saying correct or wrong. Um, um, let's see. My brain is kind of scattered. On the Google community, I posted something about a a scroll and a fade in on scroll. Did you take a look at that?
I haven't seen that post, no.
Do you know if it's possible without using jQuery to add those kind of effects?
I have no idea. I've never used jQuery before.
Yeah, me neither. Okay, all right.
But effects, those are all through CSS, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Yeah. Well, like animation, transition, transform, the whole like fading in. I searched like the internet for like a couple hours yesterday, but I couldn't find anything like it's the scroll effect, make things pop in from the left or right or fade in without using some form of jQuery. It's unfortunate because we can't use it.
Yeah.
So I think once you post the code, um, I'll try to make one of those states work with the code that I have, and if we can, use it. But if not, just we'll build from what you have. Just build from what you have.
Cool. So if we're going to go through and build from what I have, then maybe what I could do is go back to that very basic, just, you know, how I had it, where you just flip through the buttons and then just, you know, get every state out of the way. Then as a group, we can make it pretty.
Yeah.
Because that
I
would
like
be
it.
pretty easy. I could just sit down, take a couple hours, and get every state done.
Yeah. Yeah, because right, what you have is the basic skeleton of what makes it work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, you know, like within all these text documents, and we can add a style to the bottom, make it pretty.
Is there a way to make a style sheet for each individual state or capital?
Well, so how it works is, yeah, you just select the, I guess, the flashcard ID. This ID flashcard is where the state names and the capitals pop up. So maybe if we did something like, oh, you know what? We could probably even do this. Like if you throw in, or if you go into here, and then you add style and you do like background color equals whatever, red, then that would change just this individual one, as far as I understand.
Oh.
Because it would be in a separated text document. That's where I messed up before. I didn't, let me grab this again.
Sure. Sure. Maybe it's just with like a red background, see if it changes it.
Yeah. Let me see. I want to make sure I get the syntax right. It's so what if I do like background color just red? Is it like that? Does that look? Or I don't know if there's like no space there.
It'd be like so background dash color,
Oh, that's right. There's
and then a colon between red and the color.
oh, that's right. I
Yeah.
always forget. See, I don't make stuff pretty all that often.
Right. Right. Okay. Yeah, that looks good.
All right, let's try. Let me see.
Oh, we got to find the right state.
Yeah, that should have been Alabama. What if I do like? Oh, you need to. This maybe. I don't know.
No
Aha!
style.
Success.
What? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
All right.
Very
So then
nice.
if you flip the card, I think it will switch back to white. Oh, boom, there it is.
We
It
can
can
work
work.
with it.
Yeah, it can work.
Yes.
All right. I don't know. Yeah, what a day.
Wow. Hey, what if? What? Hey, I'll give you some code. No. Okay, so I can work with that then.
Awesome. That's good to hear.
Yeah, I like that. So you need the HTML inside the style? Wow. That just seems so odd to me. Okay. All right. Because
Because this is
normally,
pretty much just what this just grabs what background color you're changing, right? Like we could change this to like since you have like a class back, we could change this to like back. And then I don't know.
oh, I see. I
So
see.
this is grabbing like the whole HTML.
It's selecting the class or the ID. I see what you're
Yeah.
saying. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I think we can make this look really good.
All right. I like it. Wonderful. Wonderful.
So, yeah,
Oh,
so maybe I can sit down and truck away for a couple of hours later today and probably get you guys this code, at least the skeleton, all working by tonight.
yeah, for sure. It would just be
And
copy
then,
and pasting the same code for
yeah,
each.
like it's just the same function. And then I just need to switch all the names.
Yeah,
So, yeah, it won't be too bad.
good. Good. Maybe next week we can have something presentable.
That would be really cool because I mean we're grinding down to it. We're getting to how much longer do we have? Like 2 weeks.
Oh man, that just sounds too soon.
I know. That's scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Oh man.
So yeah, I can truck away at this, and then together as a group we can finish it up, make it look good.
Okay. Good deal. Good deal. Yeah. So, before you submit on GitHub, do um. Actually, I'll just make a note of which one you changed here. Which one is
Oh
this?
yeah, I'm in Alabama. That's
Alabama.
just the first one that. Yeah, I'm in Alabama.text.
Oh,
Or
okay. So
TXT.
that'll be easy. Okay.
Yeah, so it's just the first one when you open just the first one because it goes in alphabetical order.
Okay. Good deal.
Well, hey Kelly, I'm glad you showed it. You showed up. I gotta get going.
Yeah. Gosh, I know. Last time you had to leave by 12, right? Or no, your time is 10:30.
Oh yeah, I think last time I had an interview or something.
Bummer,
I
but
can't.
the next time, right? One will
Yeah,
come up.
then hopefully next week I'll have an interview too. That would be cool. I've been shooting off my resume like crazy, trying to get something.
Are
But
you wanting to get one that's paid?
yeah, that's ideal. I had a job interview yesterday that I thought went pretty well.
Oh, awesome. Who was
To
it with?
do, it was with Bluehost just to do like call center work, just like help desk stuff. But
Oh, oh, I see.
yeah, $15 an hour. I mean, what the heck? Why not?
Hey, that's better than what I'm getting right now. So that's an upgrade, right?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, those call centers though, those are brutal. I've done that before, and just phone call after phone call, it does a number on your brain.
Well, I'm hoping you get another interview quick, so you don't have to do that.
Yeah, that'd be nice. What do
Gosh.
you do? What do you got going on?
I was working as a PCA for a hospital, a patient care assistant,
Oh, okay.
um, and then I just recently. Actually, today's my what is today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I last Monday was my first day of quitting, so now I'm focusing on finding an internship, just like you. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, was that your introduction video where you were saying that you switched over from like healthcare administration or something, or
Yeah.
some healthcare field? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's me.
CIT is where it's at.
I'm loving it. It's good.
As
Um,
frustrating as it is, I love it.
it
Love-hate
can. Yeah.
relationship.
So yeah, same here. Paid internship, and I'm hoping it's an in person because there's tons of internships that are like online. Um, but like no in person with like Google with like a well-known company, no startups.
Yeah.
Because that doesn't look the greatest on your resume when you're wanting to get another
Yeah.
job.
Oh man, I had an interview with Oracle for an internship there at
Holy
Oracle. I was
smokes!
so excited. It was paying $22 an hour, and they even called me back for a second interview, and I was just stoked. Like, oh man, if I get this, and then I don't think I
Yeah.
got it. But still, that would have been sweet.
Oh my gosh, Oracle. Oh
Yeah,
boy.
that would have been. I would have had my foot in the door there, but someone else snatched it up, I think.
Oh man. Oh man. All right, Michael. Well, it was awesome ending
Yeah, it was.
this with you. Um, I'm excited with where it can go.
Me too. Thanks. Yeah, thank you for working with me and willing to work with my code. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we got this. We got this.
I know taking someone else's code is the more difficult end of the stick. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we're in this together, Michael. We're in this
Awesome.
together.
Thanks,
well,
Kelly.
good luck.
I'll get this to you. Yeah, I'll get this to you by the weekend.
Okay. All
All
right.
skeletoned out, and then we can make it pretty together next week with the group.
All right. All right. Sounds good. And good luck on finding an internship.
Hey, you too. Thanks. I'll see you next week.
All right, then. Goodbye.